A Japanese man wrongly convicted of murder has been awarded a historic $1.45 million in compensation. Iwao Hakamata, now 89 years old, was acquitted of a 1966 quadruple murder. The payout represents $83 for each day of the year for over 4 decades that he spent in detention. Hakamata, who was a former boxer, was awarded 12,500 yen, equivalent to $83 for each day that he spent in prison of the 46 years in detention, most of it on death row. Hakamata was released last year after his conviction for the murder of his former employer, his wife and their 2 children. Hakamata's legal team said on Tuesday that the compensation payment ordered by court was the highest ever criminal compensation granted in Japan. Following a tireless campaign by his sister and others, a Japanese court ruled that the police had tampered with the evidence and overturned Hakamata's conviction. He had initially confessed to the crime but retracted the confession during his first trial, claiming to have been abused during the 20 days of his interrogation. According to Japanese public broadcaster NHK, Hakamata, once the world's longest-serving death row inmate, was acquitted after a DNA test showed the blood-stained clothing used to convict him, which was planted long after the murders took place. His case brought global scrutiny on Japan's criminal justice system. According to Japan's Ministry of Justice website, conviction rates stand at 99%. That fueled calls to abolish the death penalty in the country. Even after Hakamata's acquittal, the country's justice minister said last October that abolishing the death penalty would be inappropriate. Even after Hakamata's acquittal, Hakamata was the 5th death row inmate granted a retrial in Japan's post-war history. All 4 previous cases also resulted in exonerations. He now lives with his sister and along with help from supporters.